Good morning, children. Class 10th, Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry, Part 1. Here you will discuss distance formula between 2 points which are plotted in the coordinate axis. It is called x-axis, it is called y-axis, intersecting at origin. 2 points are given to you, P and Q, whose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. And we have to find out the distance between them. Then how to find out the distance? You can see the formula. When you will draw perpendicular on it from P, you are getting it is x1, it is y1 means. And similarly, when you draw perpendicular from Q on the x-axis and perpendicular from it to it, then you will get it is x2 and it is y2. Means remaining part of this is x2 minus x1 and this part is y2 minus y1. And by Pythagoras theorem, because it is a right triangle, let us write the name of it, that is PQR. In this right triangle we can apply Pythagoras theorem. PQ square equal to PR square plus QR square, and then take square root. You will get distance formula between P and Q, that is a square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is called distance between 2 points in coordinate geometry. Now let us discuss few questions based on them. First is find the distance between following pair of points. First point is given to you minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. So we are taking, let's take the name of them. A is minus 5, 7 and B is minus 1, 3. Means we can take it as x1, it is y1, it is x2 and it is y2. Formula is AB square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. X1 and x2 are substituted here, and y1 and y2 are also substituted here. After calculating, we are getting 4 square and minus 4 square. 4 square is 16 and minus 4 square is also 16. 16 plus 16, 32, and square root of 32 is 4 root 2. You can write distance between AB is 4 root 2 units. We can write units here. Similarly, in the second part, again you can treat as x1, it is y1, and x2, it is y2. And apply the distance formula, but first we have to write the names. Let's write the name here. And that is, we are taking here P and Q. You can see P and Q, it is x1, it is y1, it is x2, it is y2, and distance formula we are applying here. By substituting the values of all x1, y1, x2, y2, we are getting minus 2b square and here 2b square. Square of this is 4b square, square of this is 4b square. By adding it, 8b square, and root is 2 root 2b units. Distance between P and Q is 2 root 2b units. Now, next example, find the values of x for which the distance between x7 and minus 1 minus 5 is 13 units. It is already given to you, distance between them is 13 units. Process is same. Let's take the name of them A and B, and it is given to you AB is 13. Let's apply the distance formula between A and B. We have to treat it as x1, y1, x2, y2. By applying the distance formula, we are getting it. We want to remove this square root sign, squaring on both the sides. By taking squaring, we have to take square of it. And by taking squaring here, root is removed. Now let us apply formula of whole square, and it is also whole square. After collecting all the terms, we are getting a quadratic equation in terms of x. Let us simplify this. By simplifying it, what we are getting, you can see by factorizing it, we are getting x minus 4 into x plus 6 whole square. Either x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 6. It means there are two values of x we are getting by using this quadratic equation, and as they are coordinates, that's why we have to consider both of them. Means we have to take both of them. These are the solutions. This is use of distance formula. Now let us discuss next is section formula. What is section formula? Let me explain to you what is the meaning of it. If line segment AB, whose coordinates are given to you, and point P is dividing this line segment in some ratio m is to n, then how to find out the coordinates of P is called section formula. Then these are the coordinates of P I am writing here. M x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, and m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. These are the coordinates of this point by using these two coordinates and this ratio. Now midpoint formula. If the point P is exactly in between midpoint of AB line segment, then what's the formula of coordinates of P? X1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Means if A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2, then we have to follow this formula. If ratio is not given to you and we have to find out the ratio, then we have to follow this formula. If a point P divides AB internally in the ratio k is to 1, when ratio is not given, we always take k is to 1. Then the coordinates of the point P will be k into x2 plus 1 into x1 upon sum of the ratio k plus 1. Similarly, k into y2 plus 1 into y1 upon sum of the ratio k plus 1. So in this way, we use section formula in all the three cases. First is when we have to find out the point which is dividing AB in some ratio m is to n. It is midpoint. And if we want to find out the ratio. So this is the way to use section formula. We will learn questions based on them. First, you revise all the formulas and distance formulas questions from NCERT. Thank you so much. Okay, goodbye.